Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna. If you like today's video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Let's start.
This is a 3-digit number, so definitely square must go either 5-digit or 6-digit number. So I'm creating 6 spaces over here. Now what we have to do here, let's assume that this is A, this is B or this is C. So what is our step 1? First of all, I need to create A square, B square and C square, right? So I am writing A square means 7 square. So here it is 49. B square, it means 8 square, that is 64. Then C square means 6 square, that is 36. Let's write down the places here. This is ones place, this is tens, this is for 100, this is for 1000, this is for 10,000 and this is the lakh. So here these are the place values, right? Now step 2. Now what we have to do here, we need to write down the 2BC. 2BC means 2 multiplied with B and then C. So here when we multiply this 2 with 8, that is 2 8 times, that is 16, and 16 multiplied with this 6, that is 16 multiplied 6, that is 96. So we need to keep ones place blank over here and we need to write down the 96 here. Now step 3, we need to go for the 2CA. 2CA. 2CA means 2C and then A. So it means 2 6s are 12, 12 7s are 12 7s are 84. So here what we need to do in next step, we need to leave the ones place, tens place and we need to write down the 84 here. Now next step 4, here we need to do 2AB. 2AB means 2 is multiplied with A and then B. It means 7 2 times 14 and 14 8 times 112. So what we need to do, we need to write down this 112. We need to leave one place, ones, tens and 100 place, and we need to write down 112 here. Now simply we need to add all these numbers. So when I go for this, here it is 6, 3 plus 6, it is 9, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 4, that is 17, 1 is carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 1 is carry over here, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 is here, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So here is the square of, this is our answer. So square of 786 is 6,17,796. This was our first example. Let's take another example. Next I am taking number 907. This is our second example. So here again I am creating 6 spaces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again we will follow the same method. A square, this is A, B and C. So here A square, our step 1 was A square. So A is here 9. A square means 9 square, that is 81. 0 square, it means 0 0. 7 square, that is 49. Now the next is, this was our A square, B square and C square, and now 2BC. 2BC, it means 2 zeros are 0 and 0 multiplied with 7, that is 0. So I am keeping ones place blank and 20 I am writing here. Next is 2CA. 2CA, it means 2 times 7, that is 14, and 14 times 9, that is 126. So I am keeping 2 places blank here and I am writing 126 over here. Next is 2AB. 2AB, 2AB. 2 times 9, that is 18, and 18 multiplied with 0, that is 0. So I am creating 1 2 3 spaces and I am writing here 0 0. Simply we need to add this This is 9, 4, 6, 2, 2, 8. This is our answer. So our answer is 8,22,649. Let's see the another example. I am taking here third number 280. Let's create the 6 spaces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A square is 0, 4. Always keep in mind, if the square is one digit number, always represent the number in the form of 2 digits. So here I am writing 0, 4 instead of simple 4. Next is 8 square, that is 64. 0 square, that is 0, it means 0, 0. Now 2BC. 2BC means 2 multiplied with 8, that is 16, and 60 multiplied with 0, that is 0. So I am keeping one place blank and writing 2 zeros here. Then 2CA. 2 multiplied with 0, that is 0, and 0 multiplied with 2, that is 0. So again I am creating 2 spaces here and writing 0, 0 here. Next is 2AB. 2 multiplied with this 2, that is 4. 4 multiplied with 8, that is 32. So 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, and I am writing here 32. Now add this. Here it is 0, 0, 4, 8, 7, 0. So there is no use of this, so I can cut this. So here our answer is 78,400. So if you want to write 0 here, otherwise you can ignore this. So here 78,400 is our answer. Now just to clear this, let's take another example. Here I am taking next example, that is 888. I am creating 6 spaces. Here value of A, B and C both all are 8. So here I am writing A square 64, B square 64 and C square 64. Now we need to keep one space blank. One space blank here. 2BC. 2 cross 8, that is 16. 16 cross 8, it is 128. So here I am getting 128. For 2CA, again 128. Keep 3 spaces blank. Again for 3AB, 2AB, that is again 128. Add this. This is 4. 8 plus, that is 14. Here 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 is here. 1 plus 6, 7. 8. 10, 18. 1 is here. 5, 6, 7, 8. And here it is 7. So here is our answer, that is 7,88,544. I hope you are getting the method. Let's take the another example. I am taking here 636. Creating 6 spaces over here. Now A square, that is 36. B square 09. C square, that is 36. One space blank. 2BC. 2 cross 3, 6. 6 cross 6, that is 36. 2 spaces blank. 2 cross 2CA, that is 6 cross 2, that is 12. 12 cross 6, that is 72. 3 spaces blank. 2AB. 2 cross 6, 12. 12 cross 3, 36. So here when we add this, this is 6, this 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1 is here, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 is here, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 is here, and here it is 4. So our answer is 4,04,496. Now let's see the next example. I'm taking here example 6, that is 487 square. Create 6 spaces, right? A square, that is 16. B square, that is 64. C square, that is 49. One space blank. 2BC. 2 cross 8, 16. 16 cross 7, that is 112. 112. Now 2 spaces blank. 2CA. 2 cross 7, 14 and 14 cross 4, that is 56. 3 spaces blank. 2AB. 2 cross 4, 8. 8 cross 8, 64. So here it is 64. Add all the numbers. Here it is 9, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 is here, 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 1 is here, that is 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 1 is here, it is 2. So our answer is 2,37,169. I hope you are getting the concept. I am taking one more last number here, that is 539. I am taking here difficult number so that you will be able to understand that this method works for all the conditions, right? A square, that is 25, B square, that is 09, and C square is 81. So now 2BC, 2 cross 3, 6, 6 cross 9, that is 54. Now 2AC, 2 cross 9, 18, 18 cross 5, that is 90. 3 spaces here. 2AB, 5 cross 2, 10, 10 cross 3, 30. So here it is 30. Add all the numbers. 1, it is 8 plus 4, 12, 1 is here, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 1 is here, it is 10, 1 is here, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and here 2. So our answer is 2,90,521. I hope you are able to understand the concept. It will help you for the future. Thank you.